Verifying your bank account on Walgreens is an important step for ensuring secure transactions and managing your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your Walgreens account. Log into your Walgreens account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Payment Settings section. Look for an option related to bank account information or payment methods. Step 3. Enter bank account information. Input your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues during verification. Step 4. Confirm your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Complete verification process. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. This may include confirming small deposits made by Walgreens into your bank account. Check your bank statement for these deposits and enter the amounts as required. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on Walgreens. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Walgreens customer support for assistance.